Over the years, Jennifer and I have remodeled a number of houses, and even though this isn't typical Jenny's Garage material, we're going to share with you some valuable knowledge about the best way we've come up with for filling nail holes in the wall. We've got about 10 right here that we're going to take care of, and one more in the other room. To fix these holes, you don't need spackle, you don't need a sponge, you don't need a putty knife or sandpaper. You just need any paintable caulking, a sharp blade, and a skillful hand. First thing you want to do to fix these nail holes is make sure that they're either flush or recessed from the wall. How are those?
Smooth.
Good. The hole in the other room isn't though, so before we do anything else here, we'll go have a look at that. You may or may not be able to see it because it's slight, but this hole is protubrating into the room. So Jen is very strategically carving out the high edge to create a concave shape. She's taken out just as little material as possible because we don't want to alter any more of the wall than we need to. This method works really good on knockdown texture like we have in here, or really any kind of wall finish. You guys will see in a few minutes, won't they?
Oh yeah.
All right, this hole is ready for the next step, which is filling it up with caulking and letting it overflow a little bit. Just like that. And that's all we have to do here right now. We'll let this dry and come back over here into the bedroom, do the same thing to these holes. She's making sure that all of her finished dollops of caulk stand proud of the wall, because it's important that they stick out once they're dry for our method to work. You done already?
Yeah.
All right, so now we'll wait for those to dry and then finish it up. All right, the caulking is dry. Now it's time for Jen to show us some magic. She is shaving off the tops of all the blobs so they're even with the wall around them. It's important that she keeps the knife blade flat so it doesn't cut into the surrounding texture. Do you feel like a dermatologist?
A little bit.
We didn't even have to freeze these with nitrogen first.
Woo! Notice how it's not dimpled in.
Right, that's because we made sure to build them up, Buttercup. Any caulking you get is going to shrink as it dries.
When I'm done with these, they'll be indistinguishable from the original knockdown texture.
You sound pretty confident.
Oh, I am. I have done this a lot.
Is that it?
Yep. It's not bad even from here.
No, but you've got some paint.
And I know how to use it.
How about we make them completely disappear?
Sounds good.
Okay, we got the wall painted and I have the camera on a tripod so you can compare prior to painting, when you could still see the little white dots, to now. I don't think I could pick out where any of the holes were if I tried. The only unfortunate thing is we didn't have the correct paint color for the wall. Need to watch out for that. So I hope this helps some of you guys out. Maybe you can repair some nail holes of your own, or you can keep doing it the caveman way. I'll show you guys an example of that over here in the garage.
This is lacking in finesse.
Somebody loaded up their putty knife with spackle
And smeared it on.
Smeared it right on there like spinach dip on a cracker.
I like spinach dip.
That's all we've got for you today. Next video will probably be about a motorcycle, unless we decide to make a video about something else instead. Thanks for watching.